Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you guys can see behind us, we have another house tour for you guys. We're in the city of Palo Alto. So this city right here is probably one of the more expensive cities to live in. There's a lot of old money here, and today we're gonna be checking out one of the houses, and we're gonna show you guys what you could get for $3.4 million out here in Palo Alto. Of course, we have cameraman David out here with us today.
Gotta make the video quick, man. I got court after this.
Dang, okay.
Not for real, though. Don't put this in the video, but...
Wait, I'm not gonna put it in the video. What happened?
But like, yeah, they're after me again.
Again?
Mm-hmm. The 5th time. Dude, you said...
Now, I'm gonna be honest, from the outside point of view, it doesn't really look like anything crazy. $3.5 million, $3.5 million, I kind of expect like something to look grand, something to look massive. But from my perspective, I just see a pretty normal kind of looking house. You guys ready for a house tour? Let's go.
Thank you.
So we're about to go and check the house out. We got Allen inside. First of all, shout out to Allen for allowing us to do this video for you guys. Check out all of his information down below in the description. Let's go inside. What do we have here today?
So we're over in Palo Alto today. We got a 4-bed, 2-bath over on 1,400 square feet with 14,000 lot size. So that's a lot of opportunity to expand, have family and friends, and enjoy the space.
So this house right here is 3.4 mil?
Correct.
$3.4 million, guys.
Yep.
And mortgage is like 20.
3.4. You're looking at about 17K.
17K a month. So what does someone have to do? Business owner, doctor, like what kind of occupation?
So usually they're high-level execs working in the tech industry locally around here, small business owners, and pretty much anyone with a high net worth.
Okay, cool. And then you mentioned before that this is kind of like the lower end of Palo Alto because it gets more expensive in different areas, right?
Exactly. So this is more of a traditional style home. In Palo Alto itself, you got a lot of people like the Eichler style, where it's developed by a gentleman back in the 50s, and just the style of the home is more elegant. This is more of a traditional style.
Okay, so it's a little bit different than what we've seen before.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is one story?
This is a single-story home. Yep.
Okay. Well, let's go and take a look, guys.
Yeah.
And let's see what we can find. Which way should we go first? Which way do you recommend?
Let's do the kitchen.
Kitchen first,
Yeah.
okay. How's the lighting, David?
It's good.
All right, cool. Okay, so this kitchen, would you put a table right here?
You could do like a
small
little
one?
circle dining table. Very, small for a small family. Looks like the kitchen, you could do a little upgrades on your counter, maybe cabinets. This is just freshly repainted, but
This home is a little older than the ones that we've seen before, right?
yeah, exactly.
So no real like crazy modern hits right here, but we do have like, a modern fridge.
Yeah. So
This looks kind of updated.
stainless steel appliances, so it makes it look more presentable.
Yeah, a little more up to date. Would this be the...
This is your little family room slash entertainment space. So, you can put a television up there with a little L couch maybe right here, sectional. Maybe a couch to read.
Yeah, with your little bookshelf right there.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's a pretty big backyard.
Mm-hmm. With 14,000 lot size, you're good. You can build a lot of things out there.
Let's go check this out. Pretty big. Pretty big. So it kind of looks like the backyard faces this, maybe it's like a little creek. When it starts raining, there's like a little creek on the outside. But this is more of like a peaceful nature vibe when the dogs aren't barking. Got a lime tree.
Sold. I'm sold.
What is that?
Oh, they have a treehouse?
It's like your little treehouse escape. You know?
Yo, I'm sold. Where do I sign?
You got your normal house, and then you got your hangout spot.
You can rent that out, dude.
That's like 2,500 in the Bay Area right there.
No heating, no cooling, but
Wait, how do you get up there?
There's only one way to find out.
so you climb up through this end right here, your little ladder.
Oh, there's a ladder?
Ooh, that's kind of risky. I like
Makeshift
it.
ladder.
Is it safe?
And then you climb up.
You don't ask those questions when you're a kid. Definitely not, though.
No, you got a little zip line for
You could bring stuff.
maybe a cup of water.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, this is the little creek part that I was talking about. Maybe when it rains, like a bunch of water will be right here.
This is the Adobe Creek that flows through in the city.
Pretty big backyard.
Good summer nights, barbecue.
Alright guys, we're back in the living room now. My first impressions is it's kind of a smaller space to work with. Like the backyard definitely makes up for it, but it feels a little small right here even without the furniture. So I don't know how it would feel with the furniture. You probably have to get like, I don't even know how you position everything. But yeah, maybe just a couple chairs here and there.
Yeah.
Let's go over here.
A couple of lazy boys.
Oh yeah, this is kind of like the second one. That one's just kind of like the chill room in there. This is the actual living room, more space.
This is a playroom, hangout, family.
Okay.
But yeah, imagination can go so many places.
Yeah, because this spot's not staged. The other spots that we've showed you guys is staged and everything. So a lot of the rooms are going to be empty. So just use your imagination.
Mm-hmm.
Got a closet right here?
We do.
Okay, washer dryer. It's back here. Oh yeah, garage. Two-car garage.
I like the Christmas decorations already.
Yeah, they're ready for Christmas.
They skip Halloween.
Look at that. Perfect.
Wow.
They thought about it, dude.
Engineer must have lived there.
Oh, another, this is like a pantry kind of thing.
Laundry stuff.
Probably put towels in there or something. And this is a 4-bedroom?
Yep, 4 bed, 2 bath.
4 bed, 2 bath. Okay, so this would be one of the bedrooms right here. So this used to be like the modern look, like
Exactly.
back.
So the home was built in the 60s. So, you know, that's developed at that time. And then as time went on, we changed it all up. Everyone has a different modernist appeal to it.
Mm-hmm.
So of course, as you can see, this is like kind of like an original hardwood. You know, you could still keep it and buff it up, make it nice and shiny, or just replace it to your style.
Not a bad space for one of the bedrooms.
Yep.
Even has a lock on it. So.
For privacy.
Privacy. I'm kind of surprised. Like this part is updated. Are you gonna put the surprise date in?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. Bathroom.
Wow.
It's kind of different.
Yeah, no,
Like
this definitely doesn't match like the rest of the house.
it doesn't match the rest of the house. They have new cabinets, new countertop, new toilet, and even the shower. I think that's like one of my biggest things when it comes to like an older house. The bathroom needs to be updated, and this one's updated. It looks
Yeah,
really-
there's usually like I would assume like there's like a standing shower with like you open and close the
Yeah.
doors like with the
all the
tub.
mold and all the stains and stuff. But no, this is really good. This is renovated. This part feels really nice. I like this part. It's good to see it. Bedroom number 2. This kind of feels like a similar size to the last bedroom that we just saw. Another closet over here.
This would be Timmy's room.
Oh, Timmy's going down. Look at this.
Whoa.
So when you want to sneak out at night, you take this route. It's kind of scary.
That's cool.
Is this? I'm thinking this might be the master bedroom because it has a bigger closet than the rest of them. If you had a walk-in closet in the 1960s, you're probably living pretty nice. Pretty big closet though.
How's it going?
This one, you can pretty much rent this whole space out.
Oh really?
You could.
Is this the master?
This is considered the master, but since it has its own, you know, doorway, you can rent it out and then utilize whatever you want for yourself.
Okay.
But then the only downside is it turned into a 3-bed, 1-bath.
Mm.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure somebody in this area probably $2K a month.
Yeah.
No kitchen, just a little hot plate.
I like how they redid the bathrooms.
Yeah, so that was just recently done. The bathrooms, both of them.
We have an attic up here, attic entrance, and then the last bedroom. Bedroom number 4. I like this one the most out of the other ones just because there's more light that comes into this. The other ones are on the side of the house, so it felt kind of like a little more stuffy, but this one has a view of the backyard and a view of the storage shed right there. You could probably rent that out for like $4K a month, honestly. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
Stop.
3.4 million. You gonna try the treehouse out?
Yeah, so it looks really fun. You know, I think growing up we all kind of wanted like a treehouse, and this is me just like reliving my childhood right here. Like, this is my time to shine. So I kind of want to climb it, do a jump test, see how it goes, just to make sure it's safe for the person buying this place.
Having second thoughts?
Maybe not. I mean, I could. Oh, you have to climb this way.
Yeah. Because there's a hole.
Yeah. Well, I could do it, but I just. This wood's kind of old. I don't know if I'll break it. It looks cool though. All right, Alex is gonna attempt.
Oh no, there's hella spiders, bro. I'm scared of spiders. I can't do this. Sorry, can't do it. Spiders freak me out. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up the $3.4 million Palo Alto house tour. My overall thoughts, if I had $3 million to spend on a house, I would want it already fixed, already upgraded, everything just redone and more of a modern build. But everybody has their own taste, everybody has their own preference. But you guys let me know, would you spend $3.4 million on that house?
Personally, I wouldn't, and I'm in the market for a $3.4 million house.
I mean, compared to the one that we saw in the last video, I think that one was about the same price too. I think the other house, it was still a little outdated, but it was more up to date than this one right here. But you guys let me know what you think. $18,000 a month for a mortgage on this house? That's insane. Drop your comments down below. We'll see you guys for the next video. We're out. Peace.
See ya.